Twisted Sniper 42 here at Sniper Scale Models. This is just an intro video for the Smoking Joe's Nascar build. Just to let you know, I've managed to get one finally. I've got a good deal on it. Managed to get it reasonable price. I was going bidding for another kit that I know at least one of you's building, and unfortunately I missed out on that by about £1 or £2, which I was really gutted about, because it had the mechanics tools and that with it. But never mind, that doesn't matter. I can probably find that at a later date. But yeah, I picked this up for a good price. I think it was I managed to get it for £11 and some pence British, and with the shipping I got it for £14.99, which is good price. And to be honest, it's probably a bit better condition than the one I looked at. So without further ado, I will be building the Rick Mast Remington Thunderbird. This was running the 1997 season. I thought it was a black, but it's actually a metallic green. I didn't realise that the photos that they showed were quite bad, but it's still a seal kit. It's an original and it's still sealed, so and it's in good condition. So the box is, you know, pretty good, not that beaten up. So yeah, this is what we'll be building for the group build. Said I'd do it, and there it is. I'll probably start this one after I've finished the Pro Street build. I'll probably do it then after that one. I might even do a quick kit review on this, maybe, just to see what it's like, because obviously I've never built this one. I've only ever built one Nascar, and that was years and years ago, so I might do a little review on that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.